Hey guys, today we're going to do simple cloud design using just a bobby pin. I start out with 2 coats of Provocative by Formula X as my base color, and I'm going in with white nail polish and a bobby pin. I started out with 1 dot, and then on the side of it I'm adding 2 dots, one a little bit higher and one a little bit lower, and then I'm going to repeat that exact same process. So one in the middle, and then one a little bit higher and one a little bit lower, and that gives you a nice little cloud shape. Then I'm going to go ahead and just do that same thing in different spots of my nails to make a cute little pattern. Depending on your nail length, you might do less clouds. Depending on your skill level, you might want to make them bigger. It is obviously easier to do less things that are bigger than to do more that are smaller. And I like to do these tutorials with a bobby pin because if you're just getting started in nail art and you didn't invest in any tools yet or don't really know what you need, I think it's nice to be able to use things that are just around your house so you can still practice. And my little trick for doing dots, whether it's with a bobby pin or with a dotting tool, you want to get a lot of nail polish on the tool. So you want a really generous amount, and then you want to very likely make contact with the nail. It's also very helpful if you put the bobby pin or the dotting tool perpendicular to the nail. If you go with it a little sideways, then it can be a little trickier to get a nice, really even circle. Then I'm just going in with pure acetone and a concealer brush, and I'm just cleaning up anywhere that I got nail polish on my skin. And then after waiting a few minutes for everything to dry, I'm going to add top coat. I'm using HK Girl by Glisten and Glow. If you recreate this look, please tag Nailstorming Inspired on Instagram so I can see.